Hey everyone, I'm Mike from theparkprodigy.com, and on today's video we're going to break down 5 things you'll absolutely love about Universal Orlando during the holiday season. Now, Universal doesn't get as much love as Disney when it does come to the holidays, but we think that there are some amazing events going on at Universal Orlando, and if you are in the process of planning a trip between the dates of November 12th to January 1st, or if you already have a trip planned from November 12th to January 1st, 2023, you're going to be sure to want to stick around until the end of this video, as we are about to break down everything you can enjoy at Universal during Christmas time. I'm really excited for this video. Let's go get started. Thank you all again so much for checking out this video. Like I said, we're about to break down the 5 things that you'll absolutely love about Universal Orlando during Christmas. And we love the holidays over at Universal, and we always recommend stopping by their epic theme parks during the most wonderful time of year. And like we said, Universal often gets overlooked as a staple holiday vacation, but there are actually a lot of really cool things that happen during the holidays that make it worth it to visit, and that's exactly why we're putting together this video. Now, let's go jump into number 1, and we have seasonal events and decor in both parks and of course City Walk. Now, both Universal parks receive a holiday makeover starting in November, and the official holiday season begins right around November 12th. And guests will be able to enjoy holiday decorations, meet and greets, scavenger hunts, and even old-fashioned favorites with a Christmas twist. Now, both theme parks will receive festival garland, lights, and special cheer that will make you feel festive. Not only is there an elaborate decor, but there are also special exclusive events that take place as well, which we will get into. Now, as you'll see, Universal Studios Florida is the main hub for smaller special holiday performances and has evening events running all day. The gigantic Universal Studios Florida Christmas tree that is 65 feet tall is perfect for family photo ops over at Universal Studios Florida. And then next we have the Universal Orlando Christmas Blues Brothers show. The regular Blues Brothers show is kind of twisted into a Christmas hit show, which will last 12 minutes. And then of course we have Mannheim Steamroller. Now, there's no reserved seating, and this is right on the Universal stage. And then next we do have Marilyn Monroe and the Holiday Diamond Bellas performing Christmas favorites on the street of New York. We can't forget about City Walk, because City Walk is also a major holiday hub with an entire village created right in the center of the action. You have Mistletoe's Pines Village, which has a bunch of themed photo ops, food stands, beverages, and of course merchandise. One of the other little known secrets over at Universal is the Universal Holiday Tree Hunt. Now, this is a festival holiday scavenger hunt that happens in both parks as well as Universal City Walk, and guests can purchase a scavenger map at almost any retail location for $10. Then you redeem the map for a holiday tree hunt themed ornament. Another important thing to note is that both parks are actually open on Christmas Day as well. Moving over to number 2, and we do have the Holiday Tribute Store. The Holiday Tribute Store is a must-do for those visiting during the holiday season, but specifically holiday treats and new merchandise are incredible over at this store. And if you've been following any of the, Universal bloggers or just in general, you might have seen that Universal had a tribute store over the summer where they brought back all the old Jaws, Back to the Future, E.T. memorabilia. During Halloween Horror Nights, they had a Halloween Horror Nights tribute store. This is just, you could see the Universal is really pulling out all the stops for the tribute stores lately, and we've only been getting more and more impressed as the years go by. Now, they do change the theme of the tribute store each year, so we don't know what the theme of this year's Christmas event will be, but we're just confident that it will be spectacular. And last year we did have 4 rooms with over-the-top decor. We had Santa's Workshop, Earl the Squirrel's Christmas Museum and Emporium, the Grinch's Stolen Christmas Present Room, and then of course the wintry scenes from Hogwarts Castle. And then speaking of Hogwarts Castle, it really wouldn't be a Universal video without speaking of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And in at number 3, we do have the Wizarding World of Harry Potter during Christmas. If you are a Harry Potter fan, or if you do have any Harry Potter fans in your family, we can confirm that Universal will make all of your Hogwarts Christmas dreams come true. Both the Wizarding World lands in Universal are decorated to the brim with snow-capped rooftops, wreaths, garlands, twinkling lights, and of course plenty of hot butterbeer. Now, with that being said, each land does have a special unique holiday feature. Starting over at Christmas in Diagon Alley, one of the performances we do have is Celestina Warbeck and the Banshees. At the stage located in the canopy area of Diagon Alley, you'll find the spellbinding performances from Molly Weasley's favorite singer, Celestina Warbeck. She sings chart-smashing hits from the Wizarding World 9 times throughout the day and every hour from 10:30 a.m. until 7:30 p.m. And then moving over to Christmas in Hogwarts, we have the Magic of Christmas at Hogwarts Castle. This is a spectacular show projected upon Hogwarts Castle with special effects, telling a wonderful Harry Potter themed Christmas story. The 8-minute show runs about every 20 minutes beginning at dusk until park close. And then of course we can't forget the Frog Choir. At the stage located just outside of Hogwarts Castle entrance, you'll find alternating performances of the Frog Choir and the Triwizard Spirit Rally. The two shows generally have 6 showings each throughout the day, alternating every hour from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, so moving over to number 4, and we do have Grinchmas. Now, Grinchmas is definitely one of the most unique theme park celebrations, and we just did a video on Grinchmas. We'll leave a link to the show notes. We think one of the coolest things about this is, of course, that it is absolutely free, included with your theme park ticket. And during the holiday season, Universal turns into one big Grinch Christmas party. You still get that warm, fuzzy feelings of the holiday, just with a side of sarcasm from our friend, the Grinch. Some of the amazing things that you can enjoy is a Grinch meet and greet. You do have the Grinchmas Holiday Spectacular Show. And then, of course, different special friends from the Whoville will be kind of walking around Seuss Landing. Like I said, we did put together an entire video. So if you have a Grinch fan or if you're a Grinch fan, right, you can definitely be sure to go check out that video, and it breaks down exactly what is going on for this specific event. Okay, so moving on to number 5, and probably one of my favorites, just being from New York. I have a lot of love for the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. And in at number 5, we have the Universal Holiday Parade. Now, the Universal Holiday Parade featuring Macy's is a spectacular parade that takes place every night in Universal Studios, Florida. Now, the parade is absolutely delightful and filled with special floats, performers, characters, and a gigantic Macy's Day Parade balloons for guests to enjoy. The Universal Holiday Parade starts nightly between 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And of course, showtimes can vary in the Universal Orlando app. So we definitely, one of our most important tips would be to make sure you download the Universal app before you get down to the parks and just get as familiar with it as possible. And we would also say one of the cool things, the unique things about this parade compared to, let's say, the official Macy's parade is this, of course, has that Universal touch to it. So guests can enjoy some of their favorite characters, from the Minions and Despicable Me float to Shrek to a classic Christmas lineup with even Santa himself spreading holiday cheer, which the kids will absolutely love. And of course, this event is super popular and will have the streets of Universal Studios Florida lined up, so make sure you show up early to get the perfect spot. And so that is the list, everyone. Those are the top 5 things that we're looking forward to about the holiday season over at Universal Orlando. I hope that you are excited. If you do have a trip planned, like I said, I hope that you did learn something that you saw. Oh, that's really cool. I definitely want to be sure to go check that out during my vacation. And if you are in the process of planning a Universal Orlando trip and you do need a little additional help, just be sure to go check out our website, theparkprodigy.com. And like I said, be sure to check out that Grinchmas video to see exactly what that event is about as well. I think that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all again so much for checking out this video. Until next time, I will talk to you soon.